welcome to my YouTube channel Entertainment Vlog. And today I'm going to make a easy and plain bookmark. This is my first vlog. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and don't forget to click the bell icon. So let's go to the video. So let's go to the video how to make a plain and easy bookmark. So first we should fold like this. And we should fold like this. And we should open this two sides. And take middle part and take one side to inside and take other side to inside. So this is my bookmark. So this is my end of my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon.